Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Ivy here. Today we are going to make something really delicious. Can you guess what it is? Let me show you. Ta-da! Do you know what this is? It's a pizza! Let's make one together. Come on, let's go! These are all the ingredients that we need to make a pizza. These are arugula leaves. I have 4 slices of cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 slice of pepperoni. 1 slice of tomato. 1 slice of red onion. 1 mushroom. 1 slice of pineapple. 1 chili pepper. 1 fish. Tomato sauce. And pizza dough. Boys and girls, now that we have all the ingredients ready, we can make our pizza together. Can you help me find the tomato sauce? Can you help me find the cheese slices? Can you help me find a slice of tomato? Can you help me find a slice of red onion? Can you help me find a slice of pepperoni? Can you help me find 1 chili pepper? Can you help me find a slice of pineapple? Can you help me find 1 mushroom? Can you help me find 1 fish? We're nearly finished. The last ingredient, arugula leaves. Let's add them to the pizza. Yay! We've finished putting all the ingredients onto our pizza. Look how colourful the pizza is. There's yellow, red, green, blue, purple. Wow, so many colours. It's not cooked yet, so we'll need to put this pizza into the oven. Let's go. I'm going to preheat the oven. Okay, now wait a little while for the oven to get hot. I think it's ready now. Ooh, mind the hot door. Going to put our pizza in there. There we go. Close the door. Now we just have to wait a little while for the pizza to cook. Ding, 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 ding. The pizza's ready. Oh, it looks so yummy. Ah, and it smells so tasty. I can't wait to try it. This is the best pizza I've ever eaten. Thank you, boys and girls, for making it with me. See you again next time. Bye!